everyone, welcome back to another program premiere video series episode. And today we are talking about accounting here at Washington State Community College. Joining us today is Christina. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Awesome, great. So Christina, can you tell us a little bit about your background and about the program here at Washington State?
Well, I've been here at Washington State about 2.5 years. I have about 20 years college teaching experience before that, and almost 25 years as a practicing accountant. So I do bring that to the table and to the classroom for the students, and I find that's very helpful so that they have current information.
Sure, absolutely. And can you speak a little bit about the program here at Washington State?
The program has spent the last 2 years being revamped and refreshed for the students to bring in the latest technology, the most current thinking in accounting, and that sort of thing. So our program is essentially new, even though accounting has been around here at Washington State for a while.
Great, okay. And what kind of career outcomes can come out of an accounting degree?
Students with accounting degrees can work in any field. Accounting is it can be applied in so many areas. Every business, every organization has a finance component. And so you can specialize, you can look at it in a more general area. Banks and hospitals and governmental agencies, also CPA firms, and small businesses. Everybody needs an accountant. Not everybody knows that, but everybody needs an accountant. So you can apply this degree to any area that you want to.
Great, that's great news. And are there any prerequisites to get into the program?
There are not. There are not. So we start at a very base accounting level. So if you've never studied accounting, never had a class in accounting, that's okay. We start you from the bottom so that you have that good foundation.
Great, okay. And that kind of leads right into, is it true that you have to have a strong background in math to be able to succeed in this program?
You know, I have students say to me all the time, I'm going to struggle in your classes because I'm not good at math. And really, that's not the case. Accounting is a language. It's a financial language, and it's about processes. So yes, it's nice if you are good in math, but if you're not good in math, we hand you a calculator. So, so that's not as big a deal. If you understand the processes and the theory behind those processes, that's what you need. So if you're not good in math, it's okay. You can still succeed very easily in accounting.
Great, okay, awesome. And what makes Washington State's program stand out maybe against some of the other competing colleges?
There's several things about the program that I just love and that I think are very beneficial for students. First of all, we have smaller class sizes. I know all of the students in all of my classes, and that really allows me to build relationships with students, to reach out to them, to be able to know how they're doing in classes, whether they need additional assistance or maybe tutoring. I know the ones that are getting it, the ones that are struggling, and I think that's really beneficial to students. We do, over a 2-year period, kind of become a family. And we know this student has children, and this student is getting married, and this student just went on vacation. And so I think that's really, really helpful, especially in the learning process. And that allows the students to come together as friends and study together and help each other. And so that is really, really beneficial for students. Another thing about the program is that our instructors, and I do a lot of the teaching in the classes, I bring in that real world experience that we talked about. And that's not something that you find very often. So it's really important, I think, that I bring to the students what I'm doing in my accounting firm every day so that they know what to expect. And I can speak to that. If they ask me questions that might not be exactly the content we're talking about, I can have information for them that they need.
Sure, absolutely. That's great to hear about the personal relationships, about the non-traditional learning experience. I mean, it sounds like it's just great to be able to have that at Washington State.
I love the program.
Absolutely. Yeah. And where can students actually find more about the program beyond this segment?
The best thing to do is to go to our website, wscc.edu, and they'll find all kinds of information about our program and others. They can also get in contact with the Center for Student Success, and there are a lot of individuals there that can help them. They can get in touch with me, Christina Gator is my name. I'm the only Gator in the directory, so they can get in touch directly with me to get more information.
Great, awesome. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Christina. I really appreciate you coming on here to tell us a little bit more about the accounting program.
You're very welcome. I'm always happy to talk about it.
Absolutely. And students, be sure to register as soon as you can. Classes start for our fall semester on August 16th. To be sure that you get the classes that you want to get. So again, you can apply online at wscc.edu for more information. Again, thank you again for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.